Hello, students, and welcome to the next episode of The Pilgrim Poem, Unit 1.1, English Bal Bharati, Standard 8. The Pilgrim is a very thought provoking poem about an unselfish old man. One day, when he comes across a deep chasm while going down a lonely highway, he knew the route and he was experienced, and he easily knew that he could easily cross the chasm without much difficulty or without much problems. But he is deeply concerned at the same time about the safety of the fellow pilgrims who may follow him behind, who are naive and inexperienced, and especially who are quite young in compared to him, and who may follow him in the near future. He suspects that the youth who is following him behind might not be able to cross this deep, wide, vast chasm and might lead or might fall into a trap, or it might be a great difficulty for him. And in such situation, he therefore labors hard and builds a bridge for the youth who is going to follow him behind. While he is doing so, he is also being questioned by another fellow pilgrim who says that you have already passed this chasm, then why are you wasting your time building this bridge? But he insists him that my experience helped me to cross this chasm without any difficulty and without any fear. But the next generation who is following me might not be such experienced. They might be quite new to this difficulty. And if I may not help them, then it is possible that the next generation or the youth who is following him can be trapped into this difficulty. So I'm building this bridge for the person who is going to follow me behind, so that my experience and my expertise can be helpful to him. Now, in today's world, which is quite selfish and filled with self-centered people, this poem Pilgrim gives us a very good idea that we are only bothered about our own welfare, but we also need more people like this experienced pilgrim or the experienced old man who can leave behind a better place for the next generation, and so that they will learn from the experiences as well as the expertise of the previous generation who are helpful to them. So the poem Pilgrim, I'll read paragraph wise and explain you. A pilgrim going a lone highway. A pilgrim, a traveler, a fellow traveler who is going on a lone highway. The highway is lone, which means not much use. Came at evening cold and grey. He came at that highway, or he was traveling and reached that highway when it was evening and the temperatures were quite cold and the weather around was grey, or you can say after sunset weather, to a chasm deep, wide and vast. He came near a chasm. A chasm is a ravine or a deep, steep gap in the earth's surface. इसको हम दरी कह सकते हैं या मरते कि गहरी दरी ये है, गहरी खाई ये है, ऐसी जगह पे वो पिलग्रिम आया है. And this chasm is deep, vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. When the old man is crossing this chasm, that time it is twilight. Twilight is the time before evening falls, just after sunset. So the time after the sunset, but before the night falls. So it is a light. The light in this atmosphere is mild, or you can say a very light. The chasm held no fear for him. This chasm was not a fear for the old man who was traveling. But he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. This old pilgrim, he crossed the chasm, he went on the other side and stopped back and started building a bridge so that the next person coming following, or the next person traveling behind him, can be benefited by the bridge. Old man said, a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? A fellow pilgrim who was following that old man asked him that, you've already crossed, you're wasting your time in building a bridge here. You've already crossed the chasm, why you need to build a bridge again? Your journey ends with the close of the day, you will never again pass this way. You are already about to end your journey, you have already passed the chasm also, then why there is a need to build a bridge? You have crossed the chasm deep and wide, why build ye here at eventide? He says that you have already crossed the chasm, which is deep and wide. Now why are you building here at the eventide? Eventide here means that in this late evening, why are you again building a bridge? The pilgrim smartly replies to this. He says that My friend, in the path I have come. There followeth after me today a fair-headed youth who must pass this way. Now this fellow pilgrim, old pilgrim, says that I have I have already crossed my path, and while I was traveling, came to know that behind me is a very young, fair-headed youth who is following this path, and the chasm which was not fearful for me, the chasm which was not a big difficulty for me, the chasm which held no fears for me, or the chasm which was very easy for me to cross, can be a trap or can be a pitfall for the youth who is following me. The youth who is unexperienced, the youth who is naive, the youth who is not known about the depth or the vastness of this chasm can really be affected, can be that this chasm can be a fatal thing for him. And I'm building this bridge in this twilight moment so that the fellow pilgrim or the young pilgrim who is following me can be benefited from the bridge that I have built. So this poem Pilgrim beautifully brings about how the pilgrim shares his experience and builds a bridge for the next generation to follow. Thank you.